In the times of yore, the gods, devas, and demons, asuras, came together to churn the ocean of milk, Kshirasagara, in their quest for Amrita, the nectar of immortality. The assembly of these celestial and netherworldly beings was a sight to behold, with both sides filled with determination and anticipation. Each group, resolute in their aim to gain immortal life, prepared for the colossal task ahead. They chose the mighty Mount Mandara as their churning rod, and the serpent Vasuki agreed to act as the churning rope. The massive Mandara was transported to the ocean, where the gods and demons commenced their epic endeavor. On one side, the gods pulled with all their divine might, while on the other side, the demons exerted their formidable strength. The serpent Vasuki, coiled around Mandara, groaned and hissed as the mountainous rod spun, generating waves and turbulence that rocked the ocean. The ocean teemed with mythical creatures and treasures, swirling amidst the chaos created by the relentless churning. Amidst the frothy whirlpool, divine gifts began to emerge. The breathtaking goddess Lakshmi rose from the depths, a vision of beauty and grace, followed by the radiant moon and other mystical entities. However, with the treasures also emerged the poison halahala, a deadly substance that threatened all existence. In an act of supreme sacrifice, the mighty Lord Shiva stepped forward and drank the poison to save the universe. His throat turned a brilliant blue, earning him the name Nilkant and the reverence of all beings. The divine physician, Dhanvantari, then appeared from the ocean's depths, holding the pot of Amrita, the nectar of immortality. Light and divine blessings radiated from him, offering hope to the gods and demons alike.